on a we're on a I can't say it.
Harley Davidson.
I'm not really sure what's happening right now, but we're going to give it a go. We're just going to go with it.
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs. Ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels.
My priority every day is to get my patients back to living their best life as soon as possible. When done.
Look at that. What a view.
Cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, then we cross America. Swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. And then we cross America. Looking back about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs. Ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars.
Here we are, Hannah.
Here we are.
Day 2.
On the back.
Day 2 with our iron horse.
Yeah.
With our trusty steel.
Okay.
What else can you call it?
This is right. Where are we at?
How have you found it so far?
Lovely.
Comfortable?
Yes.
Fast?
No.
Refined? Refined?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Are they still in?
Feelings.
Yeah. I've never ridden a bike before that hurts my heels, that makes my face vibrate.
It's called the vibration
Gives you a
plate.
fuzzy nose.
Vibration plate.
Vibration plate.
Is that being a vibration
Or like a weight losing plate.
Yeah. If you put your back on that.
Should we keep it a bit longer?
No.
So, there you go. It's not all bad, but it's about as fast as... slower than XJ6 600. Every bump you hit, it bottoms out and it feels like your seat's just hit the floor. But there's something guilty pleasure enjoyable about it in a weird way. So we cruised into Vegas last night in the dark down the freeway, and it was pretty cool, wasn't it? Right then, to be continued.
Now turn right.
It was allowed that was a joke. Everybody could hear it.
We're going right, everybody. We're going to turn right here. We're turning right. Thank you.
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs. Ooh, and our hearts were young.